Hey everyone, I'm Joel on the road, and today my UNESCO World Heritage journey is at the Abbey and Altenmunster of Lorsch in southwest Germany. So this is the ruined abbey in Lorsch, southwestern Germany, and it was originally founded in 770 AD. Now, it had its heyday from around 850 to 1230, and although there's not a whole lot left of the abbey from that era, one of the buildings still stands, the King's Hall that you can see behind me. There's still plenty of cool stuff to see, so let's check it out. So behind me you can see the Abbey's most famous building, and it's known as the King's Hall or the Konigshalle. But despite the name, it's actually completely unknown what the building was for. It's not a throne room, it's not a church. It looks kind of like a gate, but it's not a gate either. Nobody really knows what it was built for. And it's been standing since the middle of the 9th century, and it's almost completely unchanged. When the whole monastery was entirely destroyed in the 16th century, this building remained untouched. Even later, when the villagers were pillaging the ruined buildings for stones to build their houses, they left this building completely alone. Why? It's a mystery. I just love the detail in the architecture, the alternating red and white blocks and the columns as well, where they're just intricately carved. Now these are all hallmarks of a style known as Carolingian, which predates Gothic and Romanesque architecture. And this building, the King's Hall, is the oldest remaining Carolingian architectural style building anywhere in the entire world. For much of its existence, the monastery here at Lorsch was a royal monastery, which meant that it had a lot of wealth and power, and it's an enormous complex that really showcases that, or at least it would have done had it not been destroyed. And as an example of that, you can see the fragment of the church behind me. It's all that's left of an enormous church building. This is basically just the front portico area. It goes for quite a bit off in this direction. It's a really large area, and it really shows you how big and how important the monastery was. This is the Altenmunster of Lorsch, or the Old Monastery. This is the remains of the earliest building on the site that dates from the 8th century. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot left of it. It's been looted and pillaged and burned, and the stones have been stripped for buildings elsewhere. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Joel on the road, and I'll see you at the next World Heritage site.